Greetings, Satyrs and singles. Love is a powerful word on Valentine's. But what if you are an ineligible bachelor with no one to call your honey? Have no fear, I am here to help you uncover how Valentine's Day can be successful without the dozen roses and overstuffed animals.
Oh, okay.
Subtweet your secret crush. The best way to let your true feelings out is on Twitter, where everyone can see how lonely you are. Watch Marley and Me. It's sad. So is your life. Order a pizza. Alone with pizza is better than alone alone. Also, I mean, that's a whole entire pizza that you don't have to share with anyone but you, yourself, and you. Get in on the bath and Dunkin' combo. Enjoy a nice luxurious bath by yourself while enjoying a fresh box of Dunkin' Donuts. Buy as much half-price candy as you can on this lovely day. Just because it's wrapped in pink and red foil does not mean it's gone bad. And Consumers Blatz and Surplus is your gain, my friend. Enjoy. Send yourself notes. Not only do they make you a better person, but they're awesome. And beautiful, like you. You deserve awesome things. And sometimes, all it takes is being reminded that you can be just as kind to yourself as a significant other might be. You're awesome. Enjoy yourself.
Remember that it is just one arbitrary day out of many, and a little winged child with sharp sticks does not define love. Love is what you make of it. If and when you do meet somebody, you can celebrate being together then. Until then, grab a fresh Double D donut and a hot bath. For Red Alert, I'm Zane, keeping Single World sane.